Having trouble with your drainage and water leaks? Let's dive in. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today a client hired me to help him out with his drainage and water leak, which the drainage was not flowing very fluent. So firstly, I poured water into the drainage and used a plunger to pump it. I pumped it for a long time, which the water was now going, but it was not that fast. The problem mainly was from his chamber, but he doesn't know where the chamber is. But he told me he will figure out that with his house agent because the chamber, when I searched, it was linked to another apartment. After that, I moved to the WC. Next step I took was pulling out the old magic wheels from the WC, which was already damaged. Then pulled out the dirt using a hammer and a flathead screwdriver from the elbow, which turned out that there were some dirt which is making the gasket to leak. I had to break the wall because the elbow was not fixed on the correct direction. It was fixed facing sideways, and although the mouth was even looking down, so anyhow you pour water, it will go, but it will make it to leak. It will be coming back little by little because it is not sloping. Then I dragged the elbow up, which was a very tough time, but I managed to raise the elbow up. I added some stones to the down of the elbow so that it would guide it from bending over. Since there were no short pipe, I had to cut the mouth of an elbow which I poked to make it fit so that it will not have any leakage during flushing. I inserted the piece of the elbow which I cut into the mouth of the WC's elbow, then inserted the new 4-inch magic waist I bought into the mouth of the cut elbow, fixing the other edge of the magic waist into the WC. And that's it guys. That's how I fixed the WC which was leaking before, and now there is no leakage.
As you can see, I am done. So let me know what is your thought in the comment section. You can see now, not leaking. There's no leaks. So let me know your thought in the comment section.
If you have reached to this point of the video, that means you have watched our video to the end. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for us to meet more people. Thank you. And for now, I'm out.